Keyboarding, Lesson 26, Getting Started with Word Drills. So the first thing you want to do is open the top Start button, which is the window on the bottom left corner, which is the simulated Start button, and then select Word and click Blank Document. And then in order to activate the window to type in, you can either just manually click or hold Control and press F9. Either way, or just click, you want to get the flashing cursor active in the window. And then you're going to type what you see over here on the right-hand side. You'll type Alex Jones, press Enter, and then you will type the very next lines. But don't hit Enter here. Just let Word wrap around, follow all the way through in the document, so it'll look somewhat different than it does here. So once you have completed it, you'll notice that the lines fall differently in the actual Word document than it does on the side here for the typing task. When you're finished, go ahead and click Check Your Work, and if you had any errors, go ahead and fix it, and then continue. So then we're going to save the document, so choose, again, we're using from this window here, File, and we'll choose Save As, and we want to go into Documents, and then we'll double click Module 3 folder, and it'll be saved right in there. So we'll save this document, File, Save As, and go to Documents, and it should be still in the folder 3, which is correct. We're just going to give it a new name. So down in the file name, it'll be 26-drill1. Now we're going to open up a document, and again you will go to the window button into Word, and we can go to Open Other Documents, choose Documents, and there it is. Select it and open. So click underneath Alex Jones and just type 26-drill2 and check your work. Continue. And we'll save this. File, Save As. Again, go into Documents, and it should be in the Module 3 folder, and it's a new name, 26-drill2, and save. To close this, you don't want to X here because that will close the entire Word application. We just want to close this open document. So you'll choose File and Close, and Word stays open. And we're going to open Word again, so the Windows Start button, and choose Word and a blank document. And we'll key the text. Again, you have to be active in the window, so you can either click or Control F9, type what you see in the box on the right, and then type in the new information, and then choose Check Your Work, and continue. So we want to preview this, so we'll click File, and Preview is under Print, and this is the preview of the document, and you can print. This will be a fake print, but you can go ahead and choose Print. And the last task is to click File and close this document. And you are finished.